the second strategy. Listen, then speak. We'll be focusing on speaking and listening majorly. You should be improving speaking, pronunciation, accent, listening, reading, and spelling. Let's see how the task goes. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Okay, just skip. Once you finish from strategy 1, start over the whole episode again. Watch from the beginning. Only this time. Watch the first minute only. Yes, please. You have seats. Okay? Watch the first minute or the first 10 sentences. Why am I saying this? Why does it have to be 1 minute or 10 sentences? Why?
For your attention span,
probably. To focus. Actually, episodes or TV shows or movies vary in terms of script density, yeah? Some movies, for example, you may watch 1 minute without uttering any word from the actors. So that's why I'm telling you, watch 1 minute or 10 sentences. It's relative. So get your English captions on, pause, read aloud. So you go like this. An actor said 1 sentence. You listened carefully to that 1 sentence, pause, and then get your recorder from your mobile phone, press it on, imitate or copy the sentence out loud, record it, then rewind. Listen to yours and listen to his and try to compare. Of course, at the beginning, if you are beginner or intermediate, you may get frustrated because probably you won't get similarity as much. But if you achieved 80 to 90%, as far as I believe, I think this is good enough as a beginner because no one is expecting you to speak as a native speaker. No one. So this is a good start. And of course, you have to take care of the pronunciation, pitch, high or low, tone, whether full stop, question mark, exclamation, and stress. This is the most important part, especially if you are specialized in phonetics, yes? Okay. Record your attempts and compare, as I said. Move on once you're satisfied. So we have achieved pronunciation, accent, listening, reading, and spelling through the second strategy. Do you mind? Yeah, down.